Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard with fruit. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 3 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have about 1 cup of your favorite fresh or frozen fruit ready. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk on hand for the next steps. Now, let's prepare the custard base. In a bowl, whisk your 3 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light and creamy. In your saucepan, gently heat the 2 cups of milk with the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's just simmering. Then, slowly pour a small amount of the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Next, pour the entire mixture back into your saucepan. Cook it over medium heat, stirring constantly with your whisk, until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Once thickened, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then, cover it and chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until completely cold. Finally, it's time to add the fruit and serve your delicious dessert. Once the custard is thoroughly chilled, gently fold in your fresh or thawed fruit. Berries, sliced peaches, or kiwi work wonderfully. Spoon the creamy custard into individual dessert bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with a fresh sprig of mint or a light dusting of cinnamon. Enjoy your easy homemade custard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.